Magandang gabi. Una sa ating mga balita, nagkita na rin sina Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at Russian President Vladimir Putin sa Lima, Peru. Sa kanilang paghaharap sa 24th Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation o APEC Summit, nagpaabot ng pagbati si President Putin kay Pangulong Duterte sa pagkakapanalo nito sa nakaraang presidential elections. Nagkasundo ang dalawang bansa na palakasin pa ang ugnayang diplomatiko. May report si Rocky Ignacio.
Nagkasundo ang Pilipinas at Russia na palakasin pa ang ugnayan diplomatiko. Naganap ang pinakaabangang pagkikita ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at Russian President Vladimir Putin sa Lima, Peru, kung saan kapwa dumadalo ang dalawang leader sa 24th Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation na APEC Summit. Sa pagharap ng dalawa, agad ipinabot ni President Putin ang pagbati sa naging panalo ni Pangulong Duterte noong May 9 presidential elections. Ang petsa na naging masayang bahagi rin sa kanila dahil sa pagwawakas ng digmaan laban sa Nazi.
Your Excellency, distinguished Mr. My pleasure to meet you. Indeed, a very bright day, public holiday over the Nazis. So, once again, congratulations, Mr. President.
Президент, в этом году мы отмечаем 40-летие установления дипломатических отношений между нашими историческими мерками. Очень маленький срок.
Well, historically, it's quite a short period of time around partnership between our countries. And it's my pleasure to have a chance to speak to you.
Ikinalugod ni Pangulong Duterte ang paghaharap nila ni Putin na isa sa mga lider na nais nitong makapulong. Una nang sinabi ng Pangulo na bahagi pa rin ito ng pagiging bukas ng Pilipinas sa iba pang mga bansa sa larangan ng kalakalan at pamumuhunan.
Not only because you represent a great country, but of your leadership too. And we've been longing to be a part also of despite the distance. We've been longing to be a part of Europe, especially in the commerce and trade all over the world.
Ibinahagi rin ni Pangulong Duterte kay President Putin ang kanyang concern sa Estados Unidos. Nagpulong ang dalawang leader sa harap na rin ay sinusulong ng independent foreign policy ng Duterte administration.
Historically, we identified with the Western world. It was good until it lasted, and of late, I see a lot of these Western nations bullying the small nations. And not only that, they are into so much hypocrisy. And they seem to start a war, but are afraid to go to war. That is what's wrong with America and the other. They've been waging war in so many places, in Vietnam, in Afghanistan, and in Iraq. And for one single reason that there was a weapon of mass destruction, and there was none. But allied with them, that they follow you. They go to the Korean War, nothing happened. They got defeated. They also got soldiers, Filipino soldiers in both Iraq and Vietnam, and nothing happened. Then they went on an expedition in Iraq on an excuse of weapons of mass destruction, and there was none. And what they forced my country to contribute military forces. And then one Filipino worker in the Middle East was captured by the groups there. They threatened to behead the Filipino unless we go out of course, in the war against in the Middle East at that time. And because it was of national interest, because the country was really going overboard thinking of how to solve the problem, the condition was that if we withdraw our forces, then they would spare the life of the Filipino worker. And we decided to withdraw. And from that time on, the Americans made it hard for us.
Samantala, formal na rin inimbitahan ni President Putin si Pangulong Duterte na bumisita sa Russia.
Oh yes, the president of Russia, President Putin, had formally extended an invitation for the president to go to Russia, and this will be preceded by a trip that I will have to undertake there this December, and I look forward for even a more optimistic and closer and more detailed discussions of the president with the head of state of Russia, and that will be or mark the beginning of our entering into various agreements that would achieve our objectives and goals.
Naniniwala rin si Secretary Yasay na malinaw na naipabot ni Pangulong Duterte ang kahalagahan ng pagpapairal ng independent foreign policy ng Pilipinas, kasabay na rin ang pagbibigay tuon ng kooperasyon sa larangan ng trade and investment sa Russia. Para sa PTV News, Rocky Ignacio, Lima, Peru.